Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to our podcast. I am Muhammad Abid Abdasya, you can call me Abian, and today we are going to discuss an important environmental issue that is closely on human health, which is topic impact of chemical pesticide on human health. Before we get, let me introduce our guest today. First,
Hello everyone, I'm happy to be here and discuss this important topic with all you.
first we have Nabila. Hello Nabila.
Hello, hello everyone. Thank you for the inviting me. I hope your discussion today can give useful information to the listener.
Hi. Next, we have Safira. Welcome Safira.
Hello, Bia. Hello. I'm excited to lead this discussion because this topic is very important for our daily life.
Thank you everyone. Before we start, I want to something simple. When you heard the word pesticide, what come to your mind?
For me, pesticides are chemicals used by farmers to protect plants from insects and pests.
Yes, and many people think pesticides are completely safe because they help produce more food. But actually, if the are used accidentally, pesticides can become dangerous for humans and the environment.
Exactly. Chemical pesticides are mostly used in agriculture because they help farmers protect crops from insects and pests. However, behind their benefits, pesticides can also bring someone affect the human and the environmental. In this podcast, we will explain why chemical pesticides are harmful, supported by several arguments and examples. So let's begin your discussion.
In our opinion, this excessive use of chemical pesticides is harmful to human health because the toxic substances can enter the human body through food, water, and air.
We believe this issue is very important because many people are exposed to pesticides every day without realizing it. Also, pesticides increase agricultural production. Their negative effects are serious and long-lasting. We report chemical pesticides are not only an environmental problem but also a major health problem that can affect both farmers and consumers.
Now let's move to the first argument. How do pesticides affect human health directly?
Chemical pesticides can many health problems because they contain toxic ingredients. Farmers who spray pesticides often inhale harmful chemicals, and this can damage their lungs and skin.
In addition, people can also consume pesticides reduced from fruit and vegetables. According to health studies, long-term export to pesticides may increase the risk of cancer, breathing disorders, and liver damage. For example, some farmers experience dizziness, headache, nose and skin irritation after using pesticides. This effect are dangerous because they may become more severe over time.
Therefore, pesticides are harmful not only for workers in agriculture but also for ordinary consumers.
That's very concerning. Let's continue the second argument.
Another major problem is water and food contamination. When farmers use too many pesticides, the chemicals can spread into rivers, groundwater, and soil. Because of this contamination, people may drink polluted water or eat contaminated food. This situation is very dangerous. especially for children because their bodies are more sensitive to toxic substances.
Therefore, pesticides can remain on crops even after washing. Although in almond may seem small, continuous exposure can still negatively affect human health.
However, when people are not well aware of these hidden dangers, they think vegetable always become safe after cleaning them, but some chemicals are difficult to remove from the food.
Interesting discussion. Now, what is the third argument?
The third argument is that pesticides damage the environmental and this indirectly affect human health.
For example, pesticides can kill beneficial insects as bees and contaminate ecosystems. This environmental imbalance can reduce food quality and agriculture sustainability.
In agriculture, polluted soil and weather can affect animal and fish that human consume. As a result, toxic chemical may enter the food chain. This is harmful because humans eventually absorb those chemicals into their body. Therefore, environmental damage caused by pesticides can have long-term health risks for solution.
Although pesticides help increase crop production, their harmful impacts on ecosystems are too serious to ignore.
We have discussed several important points today. Before ending this podcast, let's read our main opinion.
In conclusion, chemical pesticides have dangerous impacts on human health because they can cause illnesses, contaminate food and water, and damage the environment. The active side of the pesticides is very harmful and toxic. Substances might affect both plant and future generation.
Therefore, we strongly believe that chemical pesticides are a serious environmental and health issue that should not be addressed timidly.
Okay, thank you for listening to our podcast today. We all hope this discussion help everyone become more aware of the dangers of chemical pesticides and the importance of protecting both human health and the environmental. See you in the podcast. Goodbye, everyone.